Good evening. What I got tonight is an Ace 4-lever padlock. Got the little cover over the front of it. Here's the key for it. Put the key in, one full turn, it's unlocked. Full turn back the other way, we're locked up again. So, I'm going to use a couple of the tools I had in a video a couple days ago to pick her open. And then I have another lock I'm going to show you. So if I can get my pick wire in here, we shall begin. Okay, I'm in. So what we're going to do, I start the front, back, whatever you want. There's 4 levers on the very back, so I'm going to just turn the tool. Okay, I'm going to move up one, and I kind of keep my finger on the face of the lock for a little bit of a, I guess, orientation inside, so I know kind of how far I move the pick back and forth, trying to feel for the, because the wafers all touch each other. They're right on top of one another, which I'll show you in this next lock. And you kind of get just these little movements. You can feel it moving little by little. The tension wrench, that is. And hopefully I get it picked in under an hour. I keep slipping over. This shutter keeps getting in my way, and come on. There we go. We'll flip her over here real quick. My hand's cramping up. One more time. There we go. So there it is, picked open. Although it's still locked, like I said in the last video, I'm not going to go into it. This tip right here isn't tall enough, so what you have to do is go in and help the bolt back a little bit. Like that. And now it's unlocked. Okay, so we'll move on to this next one. This one has had the cover removed. It's an Ace 4-lever also, just exactly like this one. When it came to me, it had just a cover screwed onto it. So what I did was took the back of a CD case and traced it and cut it out, so we now can see what's going on inside. And I should have done this earlier and figured out a way to mount this into I don't want to go too tight because it's cheap plastic. And now we can't see it because it's too dark. Okay. I'll try doing this one. Okay. As you can see, we have, as you can't see, the levers are in the front here. They're all spring loaded. The springs are over here. And that brass piece in the back that's holding it closed is called the bolt. So what happens is you insert the key, turn the key, and the key lifts the levers. There's the 4 levers. Once they all raise past this piece right here, which is blocking the bolt from coming back, then the key starts to pull the bolt back. And it's unlocked. Same thing going in reverse. The wafers, everything is blocked, so that bolt can't be pushed to the left because the wafers are blocking it. So it lifts the wafers up out of the way, pulls the bolt back, and there she is locked. So now we'll go ahead and pick it and see what's going on. See, there's the tool going in, and what it does is it clears all the wafers and goes straight to the back and puts pressure on that bolt. And then we go in with the pick. Okay, we'll take it to the back again, like I did before, and lift the wafer. Lift the lever. Okay, that one's not binding at all. Make sure I got good tension on this. Go to the next one. That one's binding a little bit. You see it's sticking up just a hair. Go to the next one. Go to the one up front. Do it again. Go to the back. There, I got a little more rotation. Number 4 is sticking up a little bit now. Number 3 is still sticking up. Come up here to number 2. Lift it up. It's not doing much. It's falling down. Lift number 1. And we just keep going through it. One lever at a time. I keep calling them wafers, sorry. I'm having problems hitting that 4th one. There we go. Oops. And there it is. Picked. You see it's pulling the bolt back, but there again it doesn't pull the bolt back far enough because it's a bad tool. So what I do is go in and grab the lever or grab the bolt and pull it over. And now it's unlocked. So that's it. Just a 4 lever. This is about as simple as the lever locks come. I'm trying to get into them a little more, some different stuff, I guess. I've got some locks coming from the UK that are, I guess, 4, 5, 6, 10 lever door locks. They're not the padlocks, and some picks for those, so I'll be working on that next. But I just thought this one was kind of cool with the clear frontage. You could see what was going on. So that's it. Thanks for watching.